Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Forza Horizon 4 crash while in game. It's easy if you want to fix it. First, all you have to do, click here, and it's important to make sure that your Windows is updated. Just click check for updates and install all the updates that you can find here. And then let's move to the next step. Type here background apps, and now disable first option here to turn off all those applications. And now the last thing you need to do, type here task manager, and maybe you'll find it like that. If you find it like that, just click more details and then close all the applications that you don't need, applications that takes your memory. Right click and end task, and that's it. Then just restart your PC, and I mean you need to close the applications after restarting your PC, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.